Hello everybody, here we're looking at Module 1, Lesson 2, Mind Tap Activity. Here we're going to be using Linux Live Media to boot and install Linux to a virtual machine. File system is booting to the Linux Live DVD. After the system boots, click Try Fedora and close the instructional window. Try Fedora and close. Click the Activities Overview. Come down to the bottom dots and Show Applications. Locate and click Install to Hard Drive icon and begin the installation. So we want the Fedora install. We're going to make sure it's on English. Continue. Click Installation Destination and it should say 20 gigabytes here. Double click that. Or no, click it and then done. Okay, give it a second and then begin the installation. Our password is uppercase P ampersand SSW0RD1. Uppercase P ampersand SSW0RD1. Then we hit done. It'll take a few minutes to install. Once the installation is complete, we're going to hit quit. When you return to the desktop, check the username. So we click this drop down and the username is Live System User. This indicates the system is still running from the live DVD. We want to restart the system to boot to the new installation that we just did. So we'll tell it to restart. Now that your system is booting to the hard drive, you'll see the grub2 bootloader. Since it's installed from the live DVD, it may not be the latest version. We may have to check for updates. Since you will be working with a new install, it will need to be configured for the environment and new user. Perform the configuration and add the user lab connection. Alright, so we'll go next here, next, skip, and full name is lab connection, all one word. Lab, the L and the C are capitalized. Hit next. And our password is uppercase P ampersand SSW0RD2. Uppercase P ampersand SSW0RD2. Click next. Then start using Fedora. Once it comes up, we're going to check our username. Hit the drop down arrow and now it should say lab connection. If it says lab connection, we're done and we're going to hit power off. Once the system powers off, we're done with that activity. We're going to come here and answer a few questions. I'm not positive about this one. I think I know how they do them. We'll see if they like that one. I think it's A, B, C, and D. And then we need one regular user account. We can have 2 primary partitions stored on a hard drive. MBR is used for less than 2 terabytes, whereas GUID, the GUID partition table, is greater than or equal to 2 terabytes. And it still did not like my answer for the, oh, it's 4 primary partitions. I don't know why I said 2. So I did get the first one right. I got the second one wrong. The primary partitions, there can be up to 4. Okay, so we're done with that. Close out your activity and we're done. Thank you.